So we're talking about absolute value inequality again. Now we're talking about greater than. And if I said the absolute value of x is greater than 4, what that means is that the distance from 0 on a number line that x is going to be greater than 4. So if I'm looking at a number line and I have, of course, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. I'm looking at x being the distance the distance from 0 on a number line that x is greater than 4, which means x could be 5 units away from 0, it could be 6, it could be anything more than 4. So I would, of course, have an open circle at 4 because it's not or equal to 4, and it would cover all values greater than 4. But it would also, if the distance is greater than 4, then this would also, because it's just distance, then this little situation that I'm drawing right now would also be true, that anything less than -4 would also satisfy this. It would have a distance greater than 4 away from 0. So a little trick that Caitlin Shannon showed me that she learned from her teacher is that when she sees the absolute value inequality, if she can look at it and then draw this little situation here, if it's greater than, then you can kind of turn that into an R, which reminds you of or. You'll see that it's going to be an or situation. So when you're setting it up, it still gets set up the same way as the AND case, where you would say x is greater than 4 or x is less than -4. You would write the case where you just take the inequality and get rid of the absolute value bars, or you would have the other case where you would drop the value bars, but then you would switch the symbol of inequality and make the jump-off number negative. We'll take a look at some examples in the next video.